Meet the HoverAir X1 ProMax, an ultra-compact selfie drone that shifts into action in just 30 seconds. Inside this kit, you will find a drone, 192 grams foldable, a 1,920 milliamp-hour smart battery giving 16 minutes of flight, USB-C cable, and a built-in 64 gig of internal storage, expandable via micro SD card. One button and two joysticks let you select from 10 AI flight modes: follow, hover, orbit, Dolly Track, even ski and cycling mode. Then take off from your palm and land back on it. No app, no controller needed. The X1 ProMax features a 1/1.3 sensor with a 2-axis gimbal and smooth capture 2.0. It captures 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K up to 120 frames per second, HDR 10-bit at 60 frames per second, plus 1080p slow motion at 120 frames per second, and stills up to 48 megapixels. For deeper control, the HoverAir X1 app connects via Wi-Fi 6 to let you adjust settings, preview footage, and fly manually. Add in the optional beacon and joystick controller for up to 1 kilometer transmission range, voice commands, and better tracking during cycling and action shots. With just 16 minutes per battery and no built-in GPS, it's best suited for quick selfie missions, not long aerials. Turn-based obstacle detection works in auto modes, but manual flying needs extra caution. If you're a traveler or creator focused on lightweight, easy-to-use self-shooting, this does it seamlessly. For long-range professional aerials, bigger drones are better, but nothing out-of-pocket like this offers 8K plus AI follows so intuitively. HoverAir X1 ProMax. Portable, smart, selfie-ready.